In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the EVAP vent solenoid valve on this Nissan Rogue. It's going to be located underneath the rear bumper on the passenger side. Let's get into it. I'm going to take these push pins out. Just use a trim tool. If you need to, use a straight blade screwdriver. Pop this down a little bit. Take that out. From under there, we're going to move over here. There's another push pin. Now that's loose. And a little further up, we have another push pin here. Let's get underneath it. You can try using a Phillips head screwdriver just to loosen it up a little bit, but this one's stuck on there. So I'll just use the trim tool and pull this shield down. On the EVAP canister right here, you can see where the valve is. We're going to disconnect the connector here. Just push down on the tab. And then I'm just going to use a straight blade screwdriver just to pry it back a little bit. Slide that off, out of the way. There's a hose right here. Just grab the hose, wiggle that off, just like that. Let's move that out of the way. There's a little lock tab right here. I'm just going to take a straight blade screwdriver, push that little lock tab down, and then we're going to rotate it up, and then you pull it right out. I'm going to take the new valve, and the same way it came out, just kind of line this up a little bit, push it in, twist it down, that locks in place, connect the vent hose, push it on, then the connector, line the connector up, click it in place. And take the shield, get this lined up. Take the push pin, push that through, lock that in place, and take the push pins, get this one started, lock it down, push these in, lock them down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.